Hey, it's JC here at JC's Comics and More, your pop culture superstore at 6725 West Central Avenue, Toledo, Ohio, 43617-419-531-6097. Then you can find JC's Comics and More at hotmail.com and find us on Facebook in the description below. Today is Tuesday, October 26th. We got a couple of merchandise and got some boxes open up, but before I go into all that, let people know, put people at notice that this Saturday, the October 30th, the shop will be opening probably closer to 2 o'clock. Unfortunately, I've got a funeral in Oak Harbor I've got to go to. I'm going to go to. I've got to go to. So unfortunately, won't be open at my normal time because of that. And I will try to stay open an extra hour instead of 7 until 8. So I implore you, if you're thinking about coming by on Saturday, please certainly stop by. I could certainly use it, especially in this very sad time that we're currently going through. This is the first thing that we have here. I'm going to pull this out. I've been waiting for these for a while now, and I hope that the people who've been calling and asking about these things certainly come and get these now. We finally have these in. I don't have very many of these. Did order pretty heavily on them because of the cost and everything. But I do have these. The Pop Fantastic Four Blacklight Silver Surfer with Galactus. These are pretty damn cool. I am keeping one of these for myself. That is, it's even less to have available, because this is pretty cool. That's the regular one right there that we still have, and that is the Blacklight one. And then also on Saturday, since it's considered like Halloween Comic Fest, I will be giving some Marvel comics away with purchases on that day. You can get up to 3 of the Marvel comics that'll be available. But again, we won't be open until 2 o'clock on that day. That is even the back cover artwork. That's all trippy. It's all blacklight. Worthiness of that. Galactus with Silver Surfer. Let's go over here now and see what goodies from Diamond are going to be in here. I know there's quite a bit of stuff. Let's get this box here. Let's get it going. At least it appears to be not quite as badly congested in there, not like in weeks past. But we still have a damaged comic to start it off with. At this Transformers 36 cover B. Stranger Things number 2 cover D. Invincible Red Sonja number 5 cover C. I know a couple of these are being set aside for people. This is cover C on The Walking Dead number 25. The Walking Dead Deluxe number 25, I should put that way. I've got some of these reorders in. They couldn't get them to us all the same week. Gunslinger Spawn number 1. That is the cover A on that. Vengeance of Vampirella number 23. Cover B. This is a roller disco outfit. Sonic the Hedgehog number 46. Cover B. So Quentin and Kevin, you've got your Sonics here for you. Made in Korea number 5. cover A. This is the incentive cover on Invincible Red Sonja number 5, right? There's one of the incentive covers on Invincible Red Sonja. Human Remains number 2, cover A from Vault. I was intrigued by that first issue. A couple more of those Invincible Red Sonjas right there. Transformers Beast Wars number 9, cover B. We had King Spawn and Gunslinger Spawn last week, so of course that means you got Spawn 323 right here this week. That is the cover A. I did not order a lot of those, so be aware. Department of Truth Volume 2 trade. This is cover C of Grim Fairy Tales, number 53. This is the cover, I think this is the 1 in 10. That's the 1 in 10 variant on the Nita House Nightmare blog. These House of Slaughter 1. I think these are, can't remember what these are. I think these might be 1 in 25s. I can't recall what. This is a foil variant. I can't recall what the breakdown. There's lots of those coming out this week. Cover C of Mom number 3. Actually, that's cover C and cover B of Mom number 3. Cover B of The Walking Dead Deluxe number 25. A couple of bonus variants on the Invincible Red Sonja number 5. Here's the Joe Linsner Deja Thoris versus John Carter of Mars number 4 cover. I think this is the cover B. That is the cover B on that. So I have a couple copies set aside for a couple of the regulars. Cover A of We Only Find Them When They're Dead, number 9. Cover C of Vengeance Vampirilla, number 23. This is cover D of Grim Fairy Tales, number 53. And I can't remember who all gets that. I know several people get it. Let me know in the description below if you're interested in that. Jupiter's Legacy number 5. This is cover B on that. Here's the previews order form for David. Here's a couple of, because I do reorder some, order some Marvels from Diamond. Here's the Darth Vader number 17, the A cover. Here is the Inferno number 2, A cover. This is cover B of Sweet Paprika number 4. Again, let me know if you're interested. I know one person that's getting it, but I'm not sure about the other person. See, I can't understand. The side I just opened up is full right to the top. The side on this side here is right here. Balance it out, Diamond. God, is it that hard to balance it out? I guess it must be. Usagi Yojimbo 23. Here is the Emma Frost cover, Joe Jusko cover on Inferno number 2. This is a, Which one is this? This is Vengeance of Vampirilla 23. That's a bonus variant cover. Vinyl number 5 from Image. The Immortal Hulk. What volume is this? This just says in great power. I think this is a standalone Immortal Hulk trade paperback. It contains Great Power, The Thrashing Place, Flatline, and Time of Monsters. Here is cover A on Vengeance of Vampirilla number 23. Good Luck number 5 from Boom. Cover D on The Walking Dead Deluxe number 25. This is a Hellcop. There's a Halloween 3D special on Hellcop number 1. So you can get your 3D on. Brian's George R.R. Martin's Clash of Kings number 15. Grimm's Fairy Tales cover B on issue 53. Cover A on Daejarthorus versus John Carter of Mars number 4. Second Chances number 3 from Image. This is a FOC bonus cover on Barbarella number 4. House of Slaughter. This is the blank cover. House of Slaughter number 1. Cover D on Barbarella number 4. Lady Baltimore number 5. This is Tarot Witch of the Black Rose 130. Got multiple covers on that. This is the cover E on The Walking Dead Deluxe number 25. Search for Hugh number 2 from Aftershock. Here is the B cover on House of Slaughter number 1. Time Before Time number 6. Cover B. Dark Blood issue 4. Cover A from Boom Studios. Cover C on Sweet Paprika number 4. There's a lot of number 4 titles coming out this week. A lot of number 4s. Cover C of Daejarthorus versus John Carter, Warlord of Mars for issue number 4. That Texas Blood, number 11. Once and Future, number 21. Cover B of Human Remains, number 2. And here's some more of those Jim Balance Tarot Witch of the Black Rose, number 130. He always does 2 different covers, so there's really not like a cover A or cover B because he does them in equal amounts. Cover D, cosplay cover on Vengeance of Vampirilla 23. Here's the Joe Jusko's Sandman cover on Amazing Spider-Man 77. I looked through this book yesterday. The art is so god awful. It's really, really bad artwork. Cover A on Sweet Paprika number 4. Saint Mercy number 3 from Image. Cover A of Jupiter's Legacy number 5. Here's a variant cover on Barbarella number 4. King Spawn. We had King Spawns last week, but this is cover D. We got A and B last week, but C and D come in this week. Go figure. Issue 18. This is cover A of issue 18 of Philadelphia. Cover B's are probably coming in next week. Crossover number 9. This is cover B on that. Cover A on Invincible Red Sonja number 5, the Amanda Connor cover. Time Before Time number 6. This is cover A. We will have a copy available. Person that was getting this, I don't see them any longer. Would have been nice to have known that, so I could have stopped ordering that. Barbarella number 4 as a variant cover. Here is the Kingpin Joe Jusko cover on Daredevil number 18, number 35. Daredevil 35. A new book from Aftershock, Cross to Bear. I'm interested in checking this out and seeing what this is about. This is the third printing of The Me You Love in the Dark, number 1. Cover B of Two Moons, number 6. Cover D of Sweet Paprika, number 4. Cover A of Barbarella, number 4. Here's the Adam Hughes A cover on Black Widow, number 12. Black Hammer Reborn, number 5. Cover B. Firefly, number 33. Cover A. The 1 in 10 variant for Jim Ballard's Tarot Witch of the Black Rose 130. In time for Halloween. There's some jack-o'-lanterns there. Here is the Derek Chew cover. Cover B on Barbarella number 4. This is, gosh, what is this, like the 5th printing of Barbaric number 1? Kaiju Max number 4. Here is cover A on Transformers Beast Wars number 9. It's got Gamera guest starring. Adventure Man number 6. Here is the Carbonite cover on Star Wars Darth Vader number 17. Chew number 9. Another variant cover on Vengeance of Vampirilla 23. These are cover A's on House of Slaughter number 1. Kitty Pryde Joe Jusko cover on Marauders number 25. Here's the Stormbreakers Venomized cover on Darkhold Blade number 1. I'm going to swap this box out for another one. We'll be right back. Okay, let's see what's in this box here. Not much in this box. This is a light box. Got something here to crack open. Got a signed copy of Batman 93 by James, was it Tynan the Fourth? Got this poster here. This is probably, what is this? Disney's Just Beyond. You want me to push their TV show or something? You forgot to mail the check, Disney. You're a big enough company. You can mail a check. You should have given us, all of us shops, $5,000 last year to help us out. And you did nothing for us. Nothing at all. Captain America, the Ultimate Guide Collection. These things are always so very, very cool. Good reference books. 25 bucks at that. They're worth twice that much. They're so cool. Let's see. There's one of the Hildebrandt Red Sonja #1s. Somebody is going to be very happy. And as he's going to be with this Hildebrandt Sketch Edition and this David Finch cover of the Red Sonjas. I'm going to pause and I'm going to grab the knife to crack open the, see what's in that other one. And as I'm opening this is a good time to remind everybody, if you've not subscribed to the channel yet, certainly subscribe to the channel. Be sure to smash the bell for notifications, because you just never know when another video is going to be uploaded. Be sure to comment, be sure to share, be sure to, I think that's it. Comment, share, and all that happy stuff. Ah, that's what's in there. I think this is like a 1 in 100 variant for House of Slaughter. I think that's what this is, if I remember correctly. It would be nice if they had something on the box to let you know that. But I believe that's a 1 in 100. Okay. Got my invoice. This is the actual invoice, just like Penguin Random House sends me. Unlike Lunar, which does not send out invoices, packing slips are not invoices. It's like soup is not a meal, unless it's chunky soup. More merchandise. We've got some Asuka from the WWF. Asuka, what's Asuka up to these days? We haven't seen Asuka in a while. Is Asuka's even still in the WWF? Seems like she and Charlotte Flair and Rhea Ripley, that they're going at it. But we got some of the, yeah, I guess all of these are, they're still in the WWF. Got some reaction figures. We've got the Xena action figure. And we have Gabrielle action figure. So you can get your 2-pack, you can get your Gabrielle and your Xena action figures on. And they can do all kinds of fun adventures together. I think that's it, is it? I mean, there's more Xenas and more Gabrielles. Bought several of those, because I know some of you out there are going to want those. And then also we got the Iron Giant reaction figure with like Howdy Doody Boy right there, Woody from Toy Stories in there. So we've got that. So that's it for this video, because I've got another box to do, but there's no way I'm going to get it done in 5 minutes and 8 seconds. But thanks again for watching, and don't forget, this Saturday, the 30th, the shop will be opening about 2 o'clock, because unfortunately I do have a funeral to go to of a tragedy. But thanks for watching.